core competency at Align is really in the critical machining of a lot of hard metals. Extreme experience across a variety of alloys, aluminum, titanium, hard metals, plastics. At Arundel, we're not just doing standard vertical or horizontal milling. We have 5-axis, 9-axis, CNC, OD grinding, wire and sinker EDM, laser marking, a variety of different abilities to service a wide range of customers. For any procurement team across our customer base, we have the capabilities from Swiss machining all the way up to 120-foot wing spars. So we have high technology quality equipment and manufacturing equipment.